How to connect Peacock with other apps. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you connect Peacock with other apps. So basically, you can connect Peacock with other apps by downloading the Peacock app onto your device on a supported device by subscribing to Peacock Premium through the third-party service like Amazon Prime Video or Xfinity. So in order to connect the device, first thing first, install Peacock app onto your device. After which you want to sign in or sign up using your Peacock account. So once you're logged into your Peacock account, now then what you could do is you could simply download and sign into a Peacock app on a wide range of devices such as LG, Samsung, Hisense, VIDE, or other running Android TV as well. Now, it can also stream device on Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, sticks and all that stuff. You could go ahead and do it. Now, connecting Peacock with other apps primarily means one of the two things, that is installing the Peacock app on a compatible streaming device or smart TV, and that is how you should be able to connect Peacock with other apps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.